You don't draw on there with that. Those are crayons.
Huh?
No, only chalk goes on the chalkboard. Only chalk, not crayon.
What am I doing?
Go ahead. What else is in there?
Doing?
Stick your hand in there. What else is in there? Yeah, more candy. Okay, what else is in the stocking? No, there's more in there. What else is in there?
Where am I there? Take it. Take it. What? Take it what?
Yeah, Dada got you those.
Huh?
Dada got you those candies. What else is in the stocking?
Oh my God.
Go ahead, look in here more.